Welcome to Young Living. After enrolling yourself successfully, you will have access to your own personal virtual office. In this video, we'd like to show you some useful features and how to navigate through it. Make sure that you logged yourself in with your details on the Young Living website and click onto Virtual Office. You will automatically be forwarded to the main page, which is Dashboard Summary. Here you can find the monthly PV promotion by clicking onto the banner, as well as other promotions, new products, and incentives. On the left-hand side, you will find the option Brand Partner News, where you can find our latest Grow newsletters, as well as other important information. Under Essential Rewards, you can sign yourself up for a lovely Essential Rewards program, in which you will receive automatically orders every month with your favorite products that you chose beforehand. You can also benefit from exclusive special offers and get up to 25% back in points on free products, subject to terms and conditions. Should you wish to only place a one-time order, you can do so by clicking One-Time Order, which will forward you to our product catalog and lets you choose from any products you would like to order. Please note that when placing a one-time order, you will not benefit from the perks of the Essential Rewards program with that order. The My Organization option will give you an insight of your downline through the downline viewer, which will be one of your number one resources when building a business. Brand Partner Resources is going to be your new best friend. Here you will find information about Young Living, tools to get you started, essential and product information, social tools, and loads more. You can see it as your own personal knowledge library. Should you wish to build your business and share your passion for Young Living, you can make use of our new social link builder function and create your own social link to share with potential new brand partners. Lastly, under My Account, you can find your account information, commissions, order history, and add or change your address and payment methods, as well as create a MyYL page if desired. There's so much to explore, and we hope you enjoy using your virtual office. Thank you very much for watching.